Hey folks, Mike here from Ollie, and today I'm super excited to walk you through the very first features we're releasing for Ollie AI. Instead of asking AI to design everything from scratch, we gave it superpowers to use the massive library of professionally designed Ollie patterns to save you tons of time and give you incredible results. You skip the slow design step entirely and jump straight into customizing high caliber layouts. You get the speed of AI and the quality of human design. In this video, I'll show you the first two features of Ollie AI. First, the new Discover tab in the Ollie pattern library, where we can search patterns with natural language and let Ollie curate full page layouts for you. And second, the Ollie MCP server, which lets you build pages and modify designs through your favorite AI agent like Claude or Cursor. All right, let's hop into WordPress and check it out. The Discover tab is where things get really exciting because it's our very first layer of Ollie AI, and it completely changes how you find and assemble patterns. Ollie's AI-powered search lets you describe what you need in plain language. Type something like a pricing page with testimonials and ratings, and Ollie AI searches the entire library and returns the best matches. You'll get up to 3 options to toggle between, and when you find one you like, favorite it, or insert it with a click to start editing it. We've included over a dozen pre-made prompts to spark some ideas. It's a great way to get the wheels turning if you're staring at a blank page, and you can customize them further to dial in exactly what you're looking for. Inspire Me is another way of discovering hidden gems in the Ollie pattern collection. Click it, and Ollie loads several random patterns into a full page layout. It's a fun way to discover patterns you'd never find by browsing manually, and you'll see design combinations you wouldn't have thought to try yourself. Clicking the grid view gives you a bird's eye view where you can drag and drop to reorder before inserting into your page. On every pattern, you've got a handful of powerful actions. Shuffle swaps it for another from the same category, copy grabs the block markup, favorite saves it for later, and remove takes it out of the layout. When you're happy with how it looks, click Insert Layout, and the whole set drops into your page in one click, and it's ready to customize. Now, let's look at the Ollie MCP and abilities, which give AI tools like Claude, Cursor, and VS Code a direct connection to your WordPress site, so you can build your site with AI tools you already love. Start by configuring your site to use the Ollie MCP in the Ollie dashboard on the extensions page. Click Ollie AI and go follow a few quick steps to set up the MCP. We have detailed instructions and a video on how to connect your AI tool. We also have an Ollie skill to help dial in your designs. The skill teaches your AI agent how to work with Ollie's features and design system to build your site more successfully. Once you're all set up, you can start building your site. Let's hop into our AI agent and create a new pricing page for our site. Once we send the request, the Ollie MCP will go to the Ollie pattern library to find a pattern layout that works and then create the page for us. When it's done, it will give us a link to go check out the page where we can continue editing it in the editor or via our AI agent. We can also ask it to do things like change the color palette on our site. Let's change it from orange to blue. Using the Ollie MCP and the Ollie skill, our agent knows exactly how to change the color palette and many other things related to our site. Finally, let's check out our upcoming content rewrite feature that lets us easily rewrite content right in the block editor. Let's change this heading to better reflect the podcast content. It will return a few variations for us to consider. Once we've picked one, we can apply the changes and see our new content. We can change individual headings or text, or we can change content in an entire group without changing any of the layout. I can also go a step further and attach additional context to send along to our AI agent. This might be instructions on writing style or relevant content that we want to send to inform the response. We can upload a text or markdown file, or we can attach a WordPress page from our site. With this additional context, we can get much richer responses. All right, folks, that's the first look at Ollie AI. What we're building here is a brand new AI-infused workflow that's there when you need it, but doesn't burden you or empty your wallet. By leaning on the patterns and the design system we've already built, Ollie AI gives you the speed and convenience of AI without the slow generation times and high token costs. This is just V1, and we've got a lot more planned for Ollie AI in the coming weeks and months, so stay tuned because things are about to get really interesting. All right, head on over to olliewp.com to grab Ollie and start building today. All right, thanks for hanging out. I'll see you in the next one.